Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to plot a scatter graph when it is required to plot two variables on the y-axis. In this example, I have the population of a city and the vehicles owned by them over a time period. To plot these two variables, that is population and the number of vehicles against the time period, you can select the entire table and go to the insert tab and select the scatter plot, and you can select the first option. Now you can make it little bigger. This shows the variation of two variables. One is the population. This shows the population in lakhs, and this is number of vehicles possessed by them. But both these values are plotted against one scale. Single scale is used. When you need to represent two data on the y-axis, it is better to have a secondary axis with a different scale. We have a lot of variation of data between the population and the number of vehicles. In this case, the units are same, but in certain cases, units can be different. Values also can be having a lot of difference. So in that case, you can have a secondary y-axis. So to have a secondary y-axis, right-click on any one of these data series. Say I'll select this data series. You can right-click on any one of the dots here, go for the change series chart type, and then one of the variable, that is private vehicles in lakhs or population in lakhs, one of the variable, I'll go for a secondary axis. So I'll put the private vehicles in lakhs in the secondary axis. So it's secondary axis option I'm selecting. Okay, click OK. So that will add a secondary axis here, and now this variation is shown clearly. This is number of vehicles possessed, but these numbers are on a different scale. If you compare the left side, the population is on a different scale. So each division is here 20 lakhs, here it is 1 lakh. Now we'll add axis titles to the chart. Click on the plus sign, select the axis titles. Now this is axis titles you need to edit. So on the y-axis here, primary y-axis, you have population. I'll copy this and paste it. And here private vehicles in lakhs, and here you have year. Now this font size I will increase. Go to the home tab and increase the font size. I'll make it 14 and bold. Go for the format painter, double click on this, and you can change the font size of the x-axis, y-axis, and also the legend you can increase the size. Chart title I'll go for a different, I'll go for 16. Chart title I need to edit, go for 16 size. Chart title is population and number of vehicles. Now I have to show the trend line for both this variation. So I'll click one of the data series, right click, and then you can add trend line. Here this is a linear trend line, and that's not fitting the data properly. So I go for polynomial trend line. Now after getting this trend line, you can change the thickness of this line, and the line type also you can change. To change the line type, you can go for this fill and line. Here you have to go for a solid line, and solid line. Then color, I'll go for red. Then the thickness I'll increase to 2 points, and the line type, it should be a continuous line. So I'll get a continuous line. Now we'll go for this trend line options and add the display equation on the chart. So I'll put the equation a little down and change the font size to 12 with bold. So this is formatted now. I'll also remove the grid line so that it will be so grids are removed, so that will give a better clarity. Let us go for the next add trend line, more options. You are getting the trend line. I'll go for a polynomial line, and again equation I'll display equation on the chart, so that views equation. I'll change the size to 12, make it bold, and then this I'll format it. The line type will change, make it solid line. Then thickness I'll increase to width. I'll increase to 2. And the line type will change to continuous. Here the color I'll change. I'll make it a dark blue. So this gives the variation of population and private vehicles. Here I have used two y-axis. Now the y-axis also, like let us have the tick marks added. So click on this, or you can double click, which will give the options here. So I'll go for tick mark, major tick marks outside and minor tick marks outside. And also you can change the line width. So here solid line, I'll make it black, and the width I'll increase to 1.5. So that will give a clarity for that. And next I'll go for this secondary y-axis, double click on that. Outside. Okay. Color I'll change to black, and this size width to 1.5. So that gives. Now x-axis also same thing, you can repeat. Change this to 1.5, color 5, and tick marks you can add, make inside and outside. Font size you can increase, and even I'll make it bold. Same, you can use a format and then make this also. Now this gives a better appearance. So you have learned how to plot a scatter graph with the two variables on the y-axis. I have used a primary axis and secondary axis. So two different scales are used to plot this graph. So that's all in this tutorial. Thank you for watching.